Hi guys and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have this new video for a pattern tutorial, and this is a mix of single crochets and half double crochets. So you do this a little differently than you do it with half double crochets, and it has this really nice, really nice pattern. This is what it looks like. It's really clean. You have these horizontals here, and then here you have the half doubles, and then here the horizontals again. It's very clear. It's very nice. I think this is great for a color fade wool, for example, or one that's more patterned, because you can still see the pattern really nicely with this with these crochets. And how I did that, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Alright, so I'm going to show you this tutorial with this ball of yarn from Teddy. This yarn is 150 grams and 150 meters. It was €5 and it's meant for 5.5 crocheting hooks. I'm going to crochet this with a size 6 crocheting hook because it works really well, and I don't have a 5.5 one, and it's 100% acrylic. It's a nice light pastel-y pink, cream color, maybe light lavender. And so I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. I'm going to start with 12 here. It's a nice length for this size 6 crocheting hook. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The size 6 hook here works really well. You can obviously vary this. You can choose any other length, any other amount of stitches here. It does not matter how many you do or if they're even or an odd number. We will go back into every single stitch, so it doesn't really matter how many you do. So you just do as many chain stitches as you would like the length to be or the width to be of the scarf. Then here I'm adding one additional chain stitch for height, and I'm going to go back in single crochets and go back into the next stitch and do my first single crochet. Then here I go kind of sideways into the single crochet. I pull the thread through, and then I go into the next one. And so now I have 3 loops here on the hook, and I pull it all the way through as if I was crocheting a half double crochet, but I kind of really just did a single crochet, just a little different. And so we go into the side here again, pull the thread through, then go into the stitch, and then we have 3 in the hook, and we pull the thread through all 3. Then we go here through the side, pull the thread through, then into the stitch, we have 3 on the hook, and then pull it through all 3. Here on the side, go into the stitch and then through all 3. You can see here I'm kind of getting this additional horizontal thread here. Okay, I'm going to continue doing this all the way over to the rest of the row. So I always go into the side here, then pull the thread through, then go into the stitch. We have 3 on the hook, and I pull it through all 3. So here through the side, into the stitch, pull the thread, and pull it through all 3. So poke into sideways, then go into the stitch, pull the thread through, we have 3 on the hook, and then pull it through all 3. Okay, so this is the last one, and our row is done. Okay, nice. So this is what it looks like once you have the first row done. Then we do a chain stitch, we turn it all around, and then start again with a single crochet. Then we go into the side, pull the thread through, go into the stitch, pull the thread, and then pull it through all 3. Sideways, pull the thread, poke into the stitch, and then pull it through all 3. And I'm going to continue this. Poke through, pull it through all 3. Sideways, pull it through, into the stitch, have 3 in the hook, and then pull it through all. And this I do again until the end of the row. Okay, now we're almost there. And this is the last one. And we do the same thing here until we get to the end of the row. Then we add 1 chain stitch, we turn it around, and again we start with a single crochet. And then we go here sideways into the stitch, pull the thread through, and then poke again into the stitch below, pull the thread through, and then pull the thread through all 3 on the hook. Then here, we do the same thing all the way back. I'm going to do this a little while longer and then I'll show you an update in a little bit. Okay, so this is my update. I did a few more rows here and you get this really nice pattern. You have these horizontal straights and then you have the kind of twisted ones here. And I think it's a very nice pattern, very simple, but pretty anyway. And this is what the backside looks like. So it's obviously mirrored. Yeah, I think it's really nice. Thank you guys for watching DIY ideas. I hope you like this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends and see you next time.